Hello and welcome to Yo-taskitchen. Today I'm going to be roasting a pork loin. This is 4.5 pounds of pork loin. It's called Hirino. I need to dress it up a little bit, and I have 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I have 1/8 of a cup of olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 1/2 cup of red wine. So what I'm going to do is I am going to mix this up really well. But first I'm going to start with the olive oil. Then I'm going to salt and pepper it. So might as well just do it while you're watching. So there you go. And then I am going to salt and pepper it. I didn't even start and everything smells good. And you want to turn it around. So you want to get that olive oil all over it, and then you want to finish putting all the spices in there. My hands are a little wet, so it's coming out a little bit thick. But anyway, so here it is. And then I am going to mix the honey and the mustard together really well, and I am going to cover this, and after that I'm going to add the red wine followed by the tomato sauce. So I will be back when I have it all done. Thank you. Okay, so here it is. It does not look too appetizing right now, but as I'm baking it, what you want to do and what I'm going to be doing is you want to baste it. So about an hour after it's roasting, because remember this is going to be roasting for about an hour, baste it. Every 15-20 minutes to half an hour, baste it again until it's completely done. I'll be back shortly. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to Yo-taskitchen. I just wanted to show you my hirino. I had it in the oven. Hello and welcome to Yo-taskitchen. I just wanted to show you my pork loin or my hirino. I just took it out of the pan that I had it cooking in the oven with, and I'm getting ready to cut it. But I wanted to show you as I did that, just so you could see what the inside looks like. Look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? The smell in here is fantastic. So what I decided that I was going to serve with this is I was just going to put it in the center of the table, and I am going to make some salads and also some fries, and then I am gonna be ready to serve this. But this looks fantastic. Look at that. And I slice it thin. People can choose to, look at that. People can choose to eat 2 pieces if they want to. They don't have to have a small piece of meat. But I'm going to arrange it on the platter, and I'm going to show that to you in a second as I'm doing that. There you go. I'm going to just cut up another few slices. And again, this was sitting for about 10 minutes. Okay, so here's the platter. And then I am just going to put some juice on top of it. Thank you. Kalioriksi. Until our next meal together. Have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you again for joining me. And Yo-taskitchen.